Okay, IELTS speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you some questions happily and you answer happily, right?
Okay.
What kind of exercise do you do?
I do yoga and I play rowing game, and when I'm extra time, then I play badminton.
All right, so to answer your question, I usually do these type of exercises, right?
Okay.
One sentence conclusion should be there.
Okay.
Do you think children should play sports regularly?
Yes, I think it's too much important for children. The sports they playing sports regularly because it's too much important for their mental health and
For their mental health?
for the mental health and physical growth.
Okay, what was your favorite sport when you were a child?
My favorite game is badminton when I'm a child.
My favorite game was badminton when I was a child.
Okay, my
Past
favorite
tense.
game was children when I was child.
My favorite game was children
My favorite
when I
games-
was badminton.
So you can confuse me.
Be confident.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
yeah.
Okay, sir.
When I was
Because you
badminton,
can change the question. Then
don't
I was
worry. Now
confused.
repeat
Okay.
when I was badminton.
No.
When I was a child,
When I was
my
child,
favorite game
my
was
favorite game was badminton.
badminton. All right. Let's go on. Do you like adventurous sports, extreme sports?
Yes, I like extreme sports. I like canoeing and skydiving and rowing when I
Good.
saw these games in Ravel Dam.
Okay, so your
Yes.
answers are short. You need to elaborate more. Number
Okay.
one, and number two, speak confidently and
Okay.
be familiar with these type of things. And
Okay,
don't be confused and nervous. You'll be fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so when you were badminton, your
No.
favorite game was children. No? All right, let's go on. Do you want to travel in outer space?
Yes, of course. If found an opportunity, I would love to go to moon, explore the Earth from there, and enjoy jumping in zero gravity.
All right. What would you do if you had the opportunity to go to other planets?
I'll do a lot of planning and preparations, like preparing suit, arranging oxygen, necessary oxygen, and
NASA will give you everything. Don't worry. You just
and
have.
obviously a video cam to make it remarkable.
All right. Do you think it is necessary to see other planets?
Yes, of course, to gathering more intel and it's happening, how it happens.
How it happens? The question is, do you think it is necessary to see other planets? Say, yes, it is crucial to see other planets. We should see. Carry on.
Yes, we should. It is necessary to see other planets to get more knowledge.
Okay, this answer is very short. You're just answering in 1 to 2 sentences, at least 4-5 sentences. Okay, when was the last time you went traveling to normal places, on Earth?
Well, I have not traveled space yet, but a couple of days ago I went to Kamalia near Multan, visited its, exploring its culture.
Okay, where I explored the culture of that city. So to answer your question,
Enjoying.
I've been to Kamalia city recently.
Yes.
Okay, like this. Let's go on. Do you like to travel by air?
Yes, I would love to travel by air.
Bas, there you need to answer in 4-5 sentences. Some of your answers are short, but overall you've got good potential for English. Okay, keep it up. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.